Hey guys, so this is how you're going to get Figma Access Token. So first, you're going to have to go to figma.com, and then from your dashboard, you're going to access the settings. So from here, just click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, and then from here, just click on settings. Under the settings tab, just click on security, and under here, you will see this personal access tokens section. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on generate new token, and then you're going to name this token however you want to. So I'm going to say this is a personal access token, or maybe you want to name it something else, maybe the name of the person that you want to give access to. And then for this one, we are going to set the expiration date of this token. So meaning the person who will have this access will expire within this duration. So for example, we want to give that person 7 days before this token expires. So next is we're going to set up the scopes. So we can set up comments, current user, dev resources, file content. So maybe we want to give that they can only read it, and then we have the file metadata. Let's give them access to that. And then we have also project, and then we're going to set up to read only. And then you can just alter this depending on how many scopes you want to give that person. So for comments, you have here several options. You can allow them to read, to write, and read and write. So it all depends on you. And then once you're done with setting these up, you're going to click on generate token. And then as you can see here, this is your token and it has been created. You're just going to have to copy this and then give it to the person that you want to give a personal access to. And that's it. That is how you're going to get a Figma access token. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.